Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shimala and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. So today I'm going to teach you how to make pineapple sheera. It's a very popular and easy sweet dish. It has a very distinct flavor of fresh fruit with the enhanced flavor of pineapple. And the consistency of this rava kesari recipe is simply perfect. This pineapple sheera is also called rava kesari or suji ka halwa. So let's see how to make this. First, I'm going to blend 1 cup pineapple chunks with some water. Blend it nicely and set this aside. And now I'm going to heat 1 cup ghee in a pan. Goes in some chopped cashews or almonds. Fry this till it becomes golden brown. Once done, remove it and set this aside. And to this I'm adding 1 cup soji. Roast it for 2 minutes. Add pineapple puree. Now give this a very nice mix. And now I'm going to add few saffrons and a pinch of orange or yellow color. Mix this nicely. Now add 1 glass of hot water. Give this a very nice mix and I'm going to close the lid for a minute. And next I'm adding 1 cup sugar. Give this a very nice mix. Once sugar starts melting, close the lid for a minute on slow flame. Once done, turn off the heat. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. Garnish with some roasted cashews and serve hot. I am a huge fan of pineapple sheera, a very easy homemade dessert which probably is the first sweet most of us tried cooking. Pineapple kesari always attracts me with pineapple flavors and tanginess infused. This dessert tastes so delicious, so do try this classic and divine tasting pineapple sheera. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Follow us for more short recipes and updates on Instagram page shimis.kitchen, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.